Welcome to Market Update, your daily dose of financial insight. I'm your host, an AI voice powered by CBN Financial, here to deliver clear, unbiased, and data-driven updates on the market. Whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned trader, this show is designed to help you make smarter, more informed investing decisions. U.S. markets eked out modest gains after a bit of volatility tied to Fed uncertainty and geopolitical jitters. The Dow rose around 0.3%, the S&P 500 ticked up approximately 0.4%, and the Nasdaq managed a plus 0.5% advance. Markets are navigating choppy waters as investors parse Powell's cautious tone and global tensions. 1. Fed's foggy outlook. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell warned that the economic landscape remains murky, a very foggy time, and though they expect to rate cuts this year, the path is far from certain. Projections are split, adding volatility whispers into risk assets. 2. Geopolitical uncertainty runs deep. Stock markets are treading cautiously amid rising Middle East tensions. A possible U.S. escalation between Israel and Iran could disrupt oil flows, according to analysts. Brent has already jumped approximately 18% since June 10th. That price rise could pressure inflation and complicate Fed easing hopes. 3. Oil and inflation on investor radar. Oil remains a red flag. While oil dipped approximately 2% recently, it's still up substantially month to date. A further spike if Iran exports are hit could send crude over $85 100 barrel, risking inflation overheating and derailing central bank plans. Tech and financials outperformed as traders sought growth plays yet remained cautious on Fed policy. Bond yields drifted lower, reflecting a dovish tilt in sentiment. U.S. dollar softened, modestly boosting risk assets like emerging market equities and commodities. Powell's congressional testimony is coming up this week. Markets will focus on his commentary around rate timing, inflation, and global risks. Expect headline-driven swings. Oil prices remain a key risk metric. Any sharp move above $85, $90 could pressure inflation expectations and risk assets. Upcoming data flow. Keep an eye on June consumer confidence and the Richmond Fed index for hints on consumer and regional economic footing. Long-term investors. Today's action is a reminder macro uncertainties impact near-term swings, but strong company fundamentals and diversification stay crucial. Active traders, be alert around Powell's testimony and oil moves. Those are likely trade catalysts this week. Watch bond yields and Fed commentary for directional hints. That's it for today's market update, brought to you by CBN Financial. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and tune in daily as we help you navigate the markets with confidence. And remember, smart investing starts with informed decisions. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay curious.